Hello, good evening, good afternoon, students. How are you all? Fine? Good. Today we are going to complete question answers of our lesson. The name of our lesson is Young Brave Hearts. Correct? What is the name of our lesson? Young Brave Hearts. In this lesson, we have studied about the brave children, those who have done bravery in their lifetime, you can say, or every year some students, they do brave work, and those students are awarded by Prime Minister. Correct? I told you in last period also. Today we are going to write down about the question here, things to do. Correct or not? There are some questions in the exercise, things to do. First one is, what brave things did Mahika do? Write about it in 1 or 2 lines. Okay, what brave things Mahika did? Mahika saved her younger brother or not from drowning. Yes, तो पाण्यामध्ये बुडणार होता. कशाच्या पाण्यामध्ये? पुराच्या पाण्यामध्ये तो बुडणार होता. तर Mahika saved her younger brother from drowning. Okay, where it happened? It happened in Kedarnath. Okay, so our first answer is question number 1. First answer, Mahika saved her younger brother from drowning when the water rushed in Kedarnath. Correct? When flooded water came inside Kedarnath near temple at that time, because they were going for what? They were going for she was in Kedarnath with her family. They might have gone to take blessings of God, and at that time only floods came over there. And what happened? That area got flooded because of water, and Mahika saved her younger brother from drowning when the water rushed in Kedarnath. Okay, that is our first answer. Now second question which is asked here is, what brave thing did Shubham do? Write about it in 1 or 2 lines. Shubham Santosh Chaudhary. Okay, what brave thing was done by Shubham Santosh Chaudhary? Shubham Santosh Chaudhary. Okay, second answer, Shubham Santosh Chaudhary rescued 2 girls from the burning van. Shubham Santosh Chaudhary rescued 2 girls from the burning van. Correct? 2 girls were burning inside the is not required here. Shubham Santosh Chaudhary rescued 2 girls from burning van, or from the burning van also, it is no problem, but you can write down from burning van. Okay, so here second answer we have got that 2 girls were burning inside the van. Correct or not? Van was on, or van burst into flames, and no one was helping them. Correct? There were so many people over there, but no one tried to help them, and Shubham Chaudhary tried his level best to save the lives of these 2 girls. Third question is, copy in good handwriting the quotes given above in colored boxes. What you have to do in third question? These are quotations are given. These quotations you have to write down in your notebook. Okay, first quotation is what? Bravery is in doing the right thing even when one is afraid. Second one, when we become just by performing just actions, we become brave by performing brave actions. And Prime Minister of South Africa, okay, Nelson Mandela, what he said, the brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquers that fear. Okay, in this way, three quotations are there, three quotes are there. That three quotes you have to write down as an answer of third question. Okay, next one, fourth question is, you also do some nice things, however small they may be. For example, helping a younger child, okay, telling the truth even when you have made a mistake. Write about any two such things that you have done. Now I gave the things, the two such things which I am going to give you. Everyone is doing that, okay, or everyone might have tried at their house. Any two things. First one is, once I held the door for an old lady. Do you like to help your grandparents? Yes. So here one thing which you can write down is, I hold, or once I hold. Question number 4. First one, once I hold the door for an old lady, or you can say for my grandmother. You can add anything, okay. Once I hold the door for an old lady, or you can write down, once I hold the door for my grandmother. Now second, one more, the two they have told us to write down. The nicest thing I have done was clean up the house. Do you clean your house? Yes. So second point which you can write down is, the nicest thing I have done was, the nicest thing I have, or I had, I have done, I have done was clean up the house, without being told, The nicest thing I have done was clean up the house without being told. If someone is not telling you to clean house, and then also you does that activity without fail or without asking elder ones, what happens? You do it, you clean your house, and when your parents enter the house, they see each and everything is clean. At that time, what will be their reaction? They will be the most happiest person, or they will be very happy by your manners or by your behavior, which or by the cleanliness which you have done inside the house. Understood? In this way, question number 1 answer, question number 2 answer, question number 3 answers are there in small boxes in the lesson. From there only you have to write down. Question number 4, 2 points are there, you have to write down those answers. Understood? In this way, we have completed question answers of our lesson Young Brave Hearts. We will start with lesson number 16 in next week. Okay, we have to study because we are going to have unit test exam. Okay, so study hard. Thank you.